Today, we're going to explore how to use Google Analytics. The first step is to create a Google Analytics account. If you already have a Google account, you can easily sign up for Google Analytics using your existing login credentials. Head to the Google Analytics website at marketingplatform.google.com/about/analytics/ and click on the Start for Free button. You'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one first and then proceed with the sign-up process. Once logged in, click Set Up for Free. You'll be taken to a page where you need to provide some basic information about your website. Start by entering an account name, for example, My Website Analytics, and your website's URL. Select your industry category and the time zone for reporting purposes. Google Analytics will automatically set the default currency for your reports, but you can adjust it if necessary. After entering all this information, click on the Create button to move to the next step. Google Analytics will ask you to review and agree to its terms and conditions. Once you accept, you'll be presented with your tracking ID. This is a unique code that Google Analytics uses to track data from your website. To get started, you'll need to add this tracking code to your website. Now that you have your tracking ID, it's time to add it to your website. There are several ways to add the tracking code, depending on the platform your website is built on. If you're using a platform like WordPress, there are plugins available that make it easy to add the code. For other platforms, you'll need to manually insert the tracking code into the header of your website's pages. To do this, copy the global site tag gtag.js tracking code that Google Analytics provides after you've set up your account. Go to the header of your website, usually within the section of your HTML, and paste the code before the closing tag. This ensures that Google Analytics can collect data from all pages of your site. Once the tracking code is added, Google Analytics will start collecting data from your website. It may take a few hours for data to appear, but once it does, you'll be able to track your website's performance. Now that your website is connected to Google Analytics, let's explore the dashboard and its various features. The Google Analytics dashboard is the first page you'll see when you log in. It provides a high-level overview of your website's performance, showing key metrics such as the number of sessions, users, page views, and bounce rate. The dashboard is customizable, meaning you can tailor the information you see to match your goals. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu with different sections, such as real-time, audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. These sections provide detailed insights into specific aspects of your website's performance. Let's break down each of these sections to understand what data they provide. The real-time section is one of the most useful features in Google Analytics. It gives you an instant overview of what's happening on your website right now. In this section, you can see how many users are currently on your website, what pages they're viewing, and where they're located geographically. This is particularly useful if you want to track the immediate impact of a new blog post, marketing campaign, or product launch. You'll also be able to see which sources are driving traffic to your website in real time, whether it's from social media, search engines, or direct traffic. Real-time reports can also tell you which specific pages are being viewed and whether users are interacting with your content, such as clicking links or filling out forms. The audience section provides in-depth insights into who is visiting your website. It helps you understand your users' demographics, interests, location, and device usage. By understanding who your audience is, you can tailor your content and marketing efforts to better serve their needs. Within the audience section, you'll see reports such as overview, demographics, interests, geo, and behavior. The demographics report shows the age and gender breakdown of your users, while the interests report gives you insights into your audience's interests, such as their affinity for certain types of products or services. The geo report shows you where your visitors are coming from geographically, so you can see if your website is attracting a local or global audience. Another helpful part of the audience section is the technology report, which shows what browsers and devices your visitors are using to access your website. This can help you ensure that your site is compatible with the most commonly used browsers and devices. The acquisition section is all about understanding where your website traffic is coming from. It helps you determine whether visitors are finding your site through organic search, paid ads, social media, or other sources. By analyzing your traffic sources, you can see which channels are driving the most traffic and make data-driven decisions about where to invest your marketing efforts. In the acquisition section, you'll see reports such as all traffic, channels, source medium, and referrals. The all traffic report shows an overview of all traffic sources, while the channels report breaks it down into categories like organic search, direct, referral, and social. The source, medium report provides more detailed information about specific sources, such as Google Search, Facebook, or Twitter, and how they contribute to your website's traffic. The referrals report shows which websites are sending traffic to your site, helping you identify potential partnership opportunities. The behavior section shows how visitors are interacting with your website once they arrive. It provides insights into what pages are being viewed, how long users are staying on your site, and what content is engaging them the most. By understanding user behavior, you can optimize your website to keep visitors engaged and improve their experience. The behavior section includes reports like overview, site content, landing pages, exit pages, and site speed. The overview report shows general data about your website's performance, while the site content report breaks down the most viewed pages on your website. The landing pages report helps you understand which pages are the first ones users land on when visiting your site, while the exit pages report shows which pages users are leaving from. The site speed report provides insights into how quickly your website loads, which is important for user experience and SEO. The conversion section is where you can track specific goals and measure how well your website is achieving them. Whether your goal is to increase newsletter signups, sales, or any other key action, Google Analytics allows you to set up and track conversions. To set up goals in Google Analytics, go to the admin section, click on Goals, and then select New Goal. You can set up goals based on various actions, such as when a user visits a specific page, e.g., thank you page, fills out a form, or clicks a button. Once you've set up your goals, you'll be able to track how many users complete these actions and identify which sources and channels are driving the most conversions. The e-commerce section is another powerful tool if you're running an online store. If you have e-commerce tracking enabled, Google Analytics will show you data related to product sales, revenue, and transactions. This helps you understand which products are performing the best and how well your website is generating sales. Google Analytics allows you to customize your reports and dashboards to focus on the metrics that matter most to you. You can create custom reports that provide insights into specific aspects of your website's performance. For example, if you're focusing on user engagement, you can create a custom report that shows metrics like time on page, bounce rate, and pages per session. To create a custom report, go to the Customization tab and click Custom Reports. Choose the dimensions and metrics you want to include in your report, and click Save to store your custom report for future use. You can also create custom dashboards that show a snapshot of your most important metrics at a glance. Dashboards can include various widgets like pie charts, tables, and graphs, which you can configure based on the data you want to see. Google Analytics can be integrated with other marketing tools to provide even deeper insights into your website's performance. For example, if you're running Google Ads, you can link your Google Ads account with Google Analytics to see how your ad campaigns are performing. This allows you to track metrics like click-through rate, conversions, and cost per acquisition, CPA, within Google Analytics. You can also integrate Google Analytics with Google Search Console, which provides data on your website's organic search performance. By linking both accounts, you can gain insights into how well your site is ranking in search engines and which keywords are driving traffic. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on using tools like Google Analytics.